So today we are at 3 BHK sample flat of VTP Pegasus, and the square feet area is 1093 square feet, and this is the lobby area which you can see, and this is the small lobby area which is provided to keep the shoe racks and all. So now when we enter, this is the living and dining area. So the living area is 20 into 12. There you go. And then we're gonna go enter the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, along with, it's really spacious, trust me. Here are the fittings, and this is the dry balcony which is provided. The size of the kitchen is 11 into 9, and has the dry balcony for the washing machine area. If you want, you can put the dishwasher as well. There's enough space given. Lot of space for cabinets and all. You can work accordingly. And now we're gonna see the terrace. It's a really spacious terrace of 6 by 8, and you can see the main plus point is about they are taking care of the safety. You can see the distance of this will be the actual distance. Actually the kids nowadays can, like, it's really risky for the kids, they keep jumping on the terrace, so they have taken care of it. And now we're gonna go enter the kids room first. So this is the kids room there, and the size of this kids bedroom is 10 by 11. Yeah, 10 by 11. And again we're gonna come back, and right in front of the kids room is a small wash basin and a bathroom. So the fittings, if we talk about the fittings given by VTP, it's Sierra, and all the fittings other than toiletry fittings, I'm talking about not toiletry fittings, it's Jaguar, like shower, then taps, everything. And this is a sensor light, so it works on sensor, and I'll talk about more home automation lately. And this is the master bedroom. There you go, the master bedroom, and the size of the master bedroom is 11 by 14, and with that is a toilet again. You can see it's really spacious. And now we're going to go to the guest room, and then we'll talk about home automations. So right when we're going to enter the flat, just beside the door of the main door is a guest room with the attached bathroom as well. This is the guest room. Home automations. So right when we're going to enter the flat, just beside the door of the main door is a guest room with the attached bathroom as well. This is the guest room. The size of this bedroom is 11 by 12. It's really big. And now this is the attached bathroom. Again, it's Sierra and Jaguar fittings. So, and I'll talk about the tiles now. It's vitrified tiles will be provided by VTP, and the brand will be either Kajaria or Somania. So these are the two brands which they will be providing. And now about the home automations. So this is the home automation which is provided by VTP in this Pegasus. It's actually really convenient for people, especially nowadays when you're gonna switch off the lights and you forgot to switch off the lights. If you are outside your house, then you can actually use your mobile and you can do it. You can help yourself with your mobiles. It's actually totally, and even the house will be connected with Alexa. So it's really high standards. We can call this a premium flat actually. And this is the security. Like all these security settings will be here. If somebody enters and you can check who is there on the door, everything. So I hope you visit this project and explore more about this project. Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel Otherwise, you can go to our website www.homesandoffice.com for more details about properties across India.